In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your Tangem wallet using the seed phrase backup route, where you get a 24-word list that you write down and keep safe. If you don't have the Tangem wallet yet, there is a discount link in the description below to get it cheaper. And if you have any other questions about the setup, drop it in the comments and I'll answer you there. Let's get into the video. So we are back now at this screen. If we now click Other Options, we can choose Generate Seed Phrase. I would select the 24 words right away, as that is much safer. And then we write down these words on a piece of paper and store that paper somewhere safe, and don't show it to anyone. When we have written down, we click Continue and we type in these words they are asking for, just to make sure we did everything correctly. We scan our first card, and then here we can add each card we have as backups. We click Add Card and scan the remaining 1 or 2 cards that you have. Click Finalize Backup, and we create an access code. Your access code is not as important to remember this time, since you can always access your crypto funds using your seed phrase. And now we also need to scan the 2 or the 3 cards we have. Just scan 1 card at a time until the timer says success, and proceed to the next card. Now we have finished the Tangem seed phrase setup.